The Kalstein Desktop Ultrasonic Cleaner, a high-capacity, high-efficiency cleaning solution designed for laboratories, dental clinics, mechanical workshops, and professional. Equipped with high-Q industrial transducers, this cleaner achieves superior energy conversion efficiency, delivering powerful ultrasonic waves that remove tough dirt, contaminants, and residues. The Kalstein Desktop Ultrasonic Cleaner YR05220 stands out for its high capacity and efficiency. With models ranging from 3.2 to 30 liters, this series is perfect for removing tough dirt from a wide variety of objects across multiple professional applications. Temperature range of 0 to 80 degrees Celsius allows for complete control over each cleaning cycle, ensuring optimal decontamination performance at high temperatures for heat-sensitive instruments. The control panel features one-button automatic cleaning with independent controls for temperature, heating indicator, degassing function, and precise time setting in minutes and seconds, all visible on the LED digital display. The integrated heating power system maintains precise temperature throughout the cleaning cycle, combined with the built-in degas function that removes air bubbles from the liquid. Available in multiple liter capacities, from a compact 3.2 liters up to 30 liters, every model includes a stainless steel wash basket and a drain valve for easy liquid management after each cleaning session. With a working frequency of 40 kHz and a temperature range adjustable from 0 to 80 degrees Celsius, that delivers consistent, repeatable cleaning results. Explore the complete Kalstein Laboratory Ultrasonic Cleanser catalog, from compact desktop models to high-volume industrial units, professional cleaning need. Kalstein, we bring science to life.